Let us all welcome the lead cast of Meet and Buy.
Kala ko yun eh.
Bel Mariano and Piolo Pascual.
Hello.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Nagustuhan po ba ninyo yung pelikula?
Nakaubos po ba kayo ng isang box ng tissue?
Sino mga umiyak? Yeah.
Lahat sila umiyak.
And of course, we'd like to thank you for sponsoring this screening and on our first day. Ako nga pala po si Donnie Pangilinan.
Yes.
No, but thank you so much, and we'd like to greet a very important person and happy birthday today, si Ate Wela. Happy birthday, Ate Wela!
Grabe. Hanggang bukas ata yung birthday niya.
Ato.
Pero Don Bell National, thank you so much for doing this vlog screening for our film. And sana po nagustuhan niyo po. And sana let's just continue spreading the word. Let's all spread love and kindness to everyone. Because you never know when they go. So, ang sad nung ending. Pero that's the reality, you know? So let's just continue spreading love and kindness to everyone. That's it. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Photo muna. Silang dalawa. Okay, ready na yung mga admin.
Yes.
Okay, mga tita. Tita, relax na. Talaga, tita. Kalmahan mo, tita. Gusto ni tita may solo. Relax na. You know what I mean, but we really dedicated ourselves and our hearts doing this film. And sana po, ma-capture din natin yung reality. Sama niyo po. Ayan, kung dapat kami
tayo, ikaw ang kalooban na kailangan ko. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking wakas. Paano maniniwala ika'y nasa aking harapan?
Yes. Siyempre. Grabe yun.